Chen Aisen is a Chinese diver. He was born on October 22, 1995 in Guangdong, China. He is the son of Tan Songxian. He started diving while he was at primary school, selected for his potential in diving. He studied at Jinan University in Guangzhou. Aisen and his fellow Chinese diver Cao Yuan won a silver medal at the 2020 Tokyo Olympics with 470.58 points. At the 2016 FINA Diving World Cup, Chen won the gold medal in the 10-meter synchro competition and the silver medal in the 10-meter platform competition. In 2017, Chen won multiple gold medals in the 10-meter platform and 10-meter synchro events. In the Guangzhou leg, Chen achieved an overall score of 601.15, which made him the fifth diver in history to collect over 600 points on the platform after Lin, Chu, Yong and Cao Yuan. He's made those around him better, he's pushed the limits, he's shown that hard work pays off, and he's a true student of the game. Chen was partnered with Lin in 2015. They won a total of 5 gold medals in the 10-meter synchro events. During the following year, the two of them won the 10-meter synchro competitions in all 4 legs. Chen also competed in the 10-meter platform events where he won 3 gold medals and 1 silver medal. He achieved a higher score than fellow Chinese diver Chu Bo in 3 of the legs. At the 2019 World Aquatics Championships held in Guangzhou, South Korea, Chen partnered with Cao Yuan in the 10-meter synchro and won gold. In 2015, Chen was partnered with Lin when they won the 10-meter synchro event at the World Championships in Kazan. Their overall score was 495.72. In 2017, Chen won another gold medal in the 10-meter synchro event with his new partner, Yang Hao. He also received the silver medal in the individual 10 meters platform event, which was won by British diver Tom Daley. At the 2016 Summer Olympics, Chen and Lin won the gold medal in the 10 meters synchro event with an overall score of 496.98. He also won the gold medal in the 10 meters platform event with a score of 585.30. His victory marks the first time China had won the Olympic gold in the men's 10-meter platform since the 2004 Summer Olympic Games in Athens. Chen demonstrated near-perfect performances at both events and became the first athlete to have won gold medals in both. Later that year, FINA named Chen as the Male Diver of the Year. In 2009, Chen won a gold medal in the men's 10-meter synchronized event at the East Asian Games with his partner Zhang Yanquan. Chen was just 14. In the next several years, Chen competed in the FINA Diving Grand Prix competitions and won an assortment of medals. In 2014, Chen and Zhang won the 10-meter synchro event at the Asian Championships.